Hey guys, this is Emily at Johnson Motors in St. Croix Falls, bringing you a 2017 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This vehicle has 72,000 miles, is smoke-free and accident-free. Coming around to the back, you can see it has the power liftgate as well as the power fold-down seats for both the second and third row. And as well as a push button for the power liftgate to come down. Coming to the back, you can see it has heated rear seats, captain's chairs, and built-in entertainment. It has 3 screens, one in the way back, one in the middle, and the one in the front. Nice black leather seats, as well as a nice moonroof up there. You can see it has a heated steering wheel. It has driver memory settings for the seat, as well as built-in navigation. This vehicle also has the premium sound system, as well as some safety features such as a rear parking aid, cross traffic alert, front collision warning, lane keeping assist, as well as lane departure warning and a blind spot monitor. If you're interested in this 2017 Yukon XL, stop in or give us a call today.